Struggling with health issues like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, low in energy, and developing poor cognitive performance as you age? Check your blood circulation, and you might want to consider ImuRegen. Imagine a supplement that not only supports your blood pressure but also rejuvenates your body's vital systems. That's ImuRegen for you. Packed with 5 essential nucleotides, 20 amino acids, and hundreds of oligopeptides, ImuRegen doesn't just sound impressive, it works wonders. These ingredients contribute to the repair of blood vessel linings, preventing the nasty buildup of cholesterol. This means less risk of plaque and, you guessed it, better blood pressure control. But that's not all. These components also strengthen the blood vessels in your brain, reducing the risk of rupture from fragility. Plus, ImuRegen helps maintain body stress or homeostasis, balancing out those stress hormones and supporting overall mood and well-being. Oh, and let's not forget, it ensures your blood volume is balanced, which is crucial for keeping that blood pressure in check. Remember, while ImuRegen is a fantastic support, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Combine it with a healthy lifestyle, and you're not just managing blood pressure, you're boosting your body's immunity and kickstarting organ recovery and repair. Curious to learn more? Check the links in the description box below to learn more about ImuRegen and how to avail it online. Stay tuned in the next segment to take a peek into the world of ImuRegen, your potential pathway to better health. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell if you want this kind of health video.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, which your DNA being damaged. The cause: an imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing ImuRegen Liquid. ImuRegen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. ImuRegen Liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients, oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with ImuRegen Liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.